How to close trading position. Are you guys facing issue to close a trade on PrimeXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To close a trade on PrimeXBT, first of all, open PrimeXBT on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, you'll be forwarded to this interface. Now just simply look at the top of your screen, where you'll be able to see this trade, position, order history. You are looking to close your trade, right? Just simply go over position. After enter position, you will be able to see this cross mark. Just simply tap on cross mark and click on close position. As soon as you click on close position, your trade will be instantly closed, and that's it guys. That's how you're gonna close up your trade on PrimeXBT. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.